Okay, let's see. So, as you randomly draw 3 cards from the cards above, what is the probability that the first card is a multiple of 4, the second is a multiple of 3, and the last is a multiple of 5 if you do not replace the first and second cards? Enter your answer as a decimal rounded. Okay, so first thing, there's 3 different events happening. So the probability that they all happen is you multiply them together. All right, so that's the first thing. The second thing is understanding the sample space. So the sample space is the amount of cards that are there. So if it's a 3 by 1, 2, 3, 3 by 6, that means it's out of 18. All right. So the first probability is figuring out on that first pull, what's the probability that you get a multiple of 4? So it's out of 18. Now we just have to count how many cards are a multiple of 4. All right. So 4 is, 8 is, 4 is, 4 is, 4 is, and 8. All right, so 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 out of 18, we can reduce that to 1 out of 3. All right, so the thing is, it says that you're not replacing the card. So one of those cards is now gone. All right, it doesn't matter which one, because none of those cards would be multiples of 3 or 5 anyway. So let's just say that this one's now gone. All right, so now it's out of 17. Now I need to figure out how many multiples of 3 there are left on the board. So there's none in the top row. 6 is, and then 3 is. So it'd be 2 out of 17. No, I'm sorry. There's a 9. Okay, so it's 3 out of 17. All right, so 3 out of 17. One of those cards is now gone. All right, it doesn't matter which one. But let's just say it's this one. Okay. Now it's out of 16. And we are multiplying, we're trying to find multiples of 5. So you've got 1, 2. So it's 2 out of 16. And that would reduce to 1 out of 8. So really you got 1 over 3 times 3 over 17 times 1 over 8. All right. So when you multiply across, you get 1 times 3 times 1 is 3. And then when you multiply across the bottom, 3 times 17 times 8, you're going to get 408. All right, and then if we do 3 divided by 408 on the calculator, I am also getting 0.007. Look at that again. Okay, so I'm getting 7 thousandths as the answer there. All right, let me know if you have any other questions.